Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to eCom Know-How. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can start Shopify dropshipping with just $20. Step 1. Research the Shopify business models. The first step is to research. Begin your research considering it as the first step of your business. Don't operate off the hunch as the growing Shopify dropshipping business with only $20 as a treat. There is no single business structure that works for everyone, and you need to understand your business model. It's not rocket science, but it impacts your business structure. If you desire to turn the profit without touching the product or investing, you can get a scratch to start with. The dropshipping business model that attracts the most should be categorized with affiliate marketing. However, you can also control the branding and marketing, focusing your product and energy on driving sales with monetizing traffic.
Wholesalers and manufacturers for bidding. And you.
Step 2. Start dropshipping niche research. Unless you get the massive budget for your business, you can't be the next popular in the market, so you have to niche down to run the profitable dropshipping store. Choosing your niche is an essential step to open your dropshipping business, and you can start this by identifying successful organizations already working in the space. Next, make sure the area is competitive. An absence of competition indicates no market. Don't go for the crowded niche and skip things dominated by bigger brands. Instead, select a category with a minimum of 1,000 keywords and focus on the niche that performs well on social media, where publishers in the area are affiliates on Amazon.
Automatically upload in your store. Giovanni provides high-quality pictures that...
Step 3. Validate your target market and product strategies. Now that you've discovered the niche of your primary business model, you might be tempted to begin hunting for products to sell. Don't. Before you think about the product ideas, think about personas. You can't expect people to buy the product if you don't know who you're selling to. You should know who you are, you should know what the store represents, your ideal customers, and more. You can also prefer Facebook to find your desired target audience. You should know how many people you can target, and you can also drill down to get focused numbers and detailed demographics. After identifying the image and customer you desire to cater to, you need to develop product ideas.
Are there competitors, and will there be language barriers? As a result, AO may realize...
Number 4. Register your dropshipping business and brand name. If you desire to start a successful dropshipping business, you need a brand that connects with your persona. Identifying the persona makes building the dropshipping brand easier. Before setting up the store, you need to focus on these basic steps. It includes registering your business, picking your store's name, and getting your business licenses. Getting your employer identification number, applying for business permits and licenses, finding the appropriate vendors, creating logos, and getting visuals.
It's like 2 in the morning, so trying to get a little bit of energy here. But let's just say monster. Generate names. So now there's this long...
Step 5. Finalize your dropshipping business plan. You now have the perfect idea of what your dropshipping business will look like. You have a product niche, brand name, and target audience. Now, you need to put your business on paper to determine the budget. Figure out the break-even point in both duration and unit sales. Next, you need to iron out the details like product sourcing, logistics staff, and marketing budget. Step 6. Create an online store. Once you're a dropshipping business owner, you need to register the domain name and redirect relevant URLs. Finally, you need to design the info you settled on in the previous step when you finally build your store. Whatever design you choose should be compatible with dropshipping software. Step 7. Attracting customers to your dropshipping store. Now you need to market your store. When you choose your cart, think about search engine friendly features. The keyword stuffing days are long gone, but SEO is alive and well. You need to keep keywords and search terms in your mind for your site, in your campaigns, and in the URLs. Also think about the driving traffic.
Or you can simply leave them as they are. The choice is yours. At JM, we know that branding...
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. So long.